GST Registration Services, simplified by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're starting or running a business in India, GST registration is one of the first and most important compliance steps, and we're here to make it easy and worry-free. Our expert team of chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and business consultants ensures your GST registration is done accurately, quickly, and affordably, so you can focus on growing your business. Let's break it down for you. What is GST registration? GST registration is the process of enrolling your business under the Goods and Services Tax regime, making it legally authorized to collect GST from customers, claim input tax credit, ITC, on business purchases, file GST returns and comply with tax laws. Once registered, your business receives a GSTIN, GST identification number, a must for any tax-compliant business in India. Who needs to register for GST? GST registration is mandatory for goods suppliers with annual turnover over Rs 40 lakh, Rs 20 lakh in special category states, service providers with turnover over Rs 20 lakh, Rs 10 lakh in special states, e-commerce sellers and operators, regardless of turnover interstate suppliers, even with zero turnover casual or non-resident businesses operating temporarily in India, input service distributors and agents. Who is exempt from GST registration? Not every business is required to register. You're exempt if your turnover is below the threshold limit. You're an agricultural producer or farmer supplying exempt goods. You're an exporter. Though GST is zero-rated, you may still benefit by registering to claim refunds. You're a charitable or religious institution unless involved in taxable services. Benefits of GST registration. GST registration brings more than just compliance. It empowers your business to grow. Input tax credit, ITC. Reduce your tax burden by claiming credit on purchases. Credibility boost. Establishes you as a trusted tax-compliant business. Seamless movement of goods, especially across states. Business expansion. Participate in government tenders and partner with large clients. Access to refunds and exemptions, especially for exporters and specific sectors. Simplified tax structure. One tax replacing many like VAT, service tax, and excise duty. Voluntary GST registration. Should you consider it? Yes, even if your business is below the threshold, voluntary registration can help. Claim ITC. Build credibility. Attract B2B clients. Expand across states. Participate in e-commerce platforms. Apply for government contracts or tenders. Documents required for GST registration. Here's what you'll typically need. For proprietors, PAN, Aadhaar, business address proof, bank details, photo. For partnerships and LLPs, PAN, partnership deed, Aadhaar of partners, proof of address, bank details. For companies, PAN, incorporation certificate, MOA, AOA, director ID proofs, address proof, bank details. For trusts, societies, registration certificate, PAN, trustee details, bank details. We guide you through every document. No confusion, no delays. Step-by-step GST registration process. Here's how we get it done. Application filing. Submit Form GST Regi 01 on the portal. Document verification. Handled by the GST officer. Aadhaar authentication. For quick approval. GSTIN allotment. Receive your GST number. Post-registration guidance. On billing, returns, and compliance. With Filings Corner, the entire process is fully digital, fast, and seamless. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert team customized solutions. End-to-end support. Get GST registered with Filings Corner. Start today. Avoid delays. Avoid penalties. Start building a compliant and credible business with Filings Corner today. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started. Filings Corner, compliance simplified, business amplified.